this tutorial, I will show you how to change background color and image. Let's begin with background colors. If you want to choose a background color, simply click on the document itself rather than any elements on it. You'll notice a small color icon. Click on it to see some options. You can search for colors by entering random hexadecimal codes or names. You can also select document colors or choose from default colors below. If you prefer a background image, you can upload your own media or search for images in Canva's library. Click the photo add to the page. Then, right-click on the photo and select Replace Background. This allows you to easily set the photo as the background. You can also double-click on the background to resize it. Furthermore, you can adjust brightness, highlights, shadows. And separate images from the background by right-clicking on them. This gives you more control over customizing your backgrounds in Canva. Experiment with these features to create backgrounds that suit your design needs perfectly.